Oh hey there pals, didn't see you there. Welcome to Hibbs Explains the vlog. The story begins with your boys David, Tarun and Hibbs in the mystical land of Prague. David is in the Spanish lands. David must make it to Prague before the sands of time run out.
So good at rubbing myself down with sun cream.
Oh yeah. Well, this is my new favourite museum. I wonder if it's interactive. We're about to go and see this massive panda, I think. It turns out the panda's too expensive. I didn't know that pandas could like charge money for stuff, but the guy in red that has it seems to be. So I don't know what we're going to do now.
Probe me, daddy.
You what?
Probe me, daddy.
So we don't know whether this is butter. We bought it thinking it was butter, and we took a bit of a risk.
What is it?
It's not butter.
I knew it was jelly bean.
It translates as yeast.
This is what we have to deal with this entire trip.
Prince Charles, during the communist era, was communist, and then he became not communist, so he named the bridge after him. And like, these are like all statues of Prince Charles. So far too hot, feel a little bit sick. I definitely need a drink.
The views, man. Amazing views.
So we're just going out. That's what we're doing. We're hitting the town. Hello. I'm drinking outside a kid's bar.
Hibbs, what you done?
Spilled beer. I knocked it over.
Knocked it.
Probably quite good to be fair, because I had to catch up with them.
It's got no shoes on. It's been like 10 minutes. Only one with anything to drink, because Hibbs isn't drinking. He's legitimately.
I am drinking. I'm just
drinking.
really.
So I've just spent a long day travelling with like setbacks after a supposedly short layover, and now we're up in the Alps. Woo!
Champagne.
A bottle of champagne for the boys. We've had to get a bus from Milan to Prague. 15 hours. Oh, he's gonna pop it.
This is the limit.
He
This
cannot
is the
down
difference
this.
between Hibbs being a drunken mess and Hibbs. Like,
Come on!
running into a wall. That's what we've got.
Come on!
Oh my god, he's gonna vom.
And we got bottle number 2. Oh man.
Twice the fun.
We've arrived.
In one piece.
Yeah, just. Oh man, it's 5 in the morning, 5:30. I've arrived. Hug. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off. Now, see that building there behind me? There's a sign on it saying Maturska Skola. That's not how I pronounce it. You put it into Google Translate, what does it mean?
Preschool.
It's a bloody preschool.
That's a fucking preschool. The fucking fuck is this? They brought me here, they've been here yesterday, they were like, they enjoyed it so much.
No, sorry.
You know what it looks like?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
It looks like one of those toasty machines got like shoved inside an asshole, and it's like, yeah, let's go. Yeah, I got a question. Yeah, what the fuck is that?
Oh man, I don't know, but like it's just cornered off. They're doing work.
They just cornered it off. It's just an old lady and like a scary, even older child. Like saying, oh, I complain in England when it's cold, but now look at you guys. You're fucking dying in the heat.
It says feels like 39.
This isn't sweat, this is just that.
This isn't sweat.
It's not.
And Dave's like, yeah, let's go hiking up a massive fucking hill. That's the view, Hibbs.
Oh, that's fantastic. You know, I've always wanted to know about all the different types of trees in Prague. It turns out it's pretty much one type of tree.
So really do feel more we're doing a penny press.
Watching. Yeah, he's asked both his parents for some money, and now he's going to go play the machine.
We told you specifically, don't spend it all in one go. Stop. No. Oh no, you did get it. Yes.
Hey, David. Hey.
Look at it. Very nice.
It's on an adventure.
Huh.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Look at it. What are you? What? Okay, so you're singling me out right now. But what have you got in your hand?
Nothing says lads holiday like baby wipes.
Well, you see, I don't think we should be doing a stereotypical lads holiday. I think we should rise above that.
I think we should go prostitute and have baby wipe fun with her.
Okay.
We just spent £2 on our entirety.
Why though?
Well, we'll have to backtrack. A little bit of context. Your boys enter the tram. Ticket officer comes up. Massive fight. And then we got fined, and now we're broke.
Decided to put out, we are dealing in quarter of cheeses and half of hams.
Oh shit, okay, thank you.
This is what it's come to, guys.
We have really seriously lost all our budget. Like, seriously. This is getting desperate now. And it's my first fucking night here.
Now we're meeting up with these French guys and girl, and we're doing bingo, and it's freaking awesome. We're doing after bingo, and then we're going to this club called the Cross Club, which looks freaking awesome. Yeah, and I think whatever happens is going to involve a lot of alcohol, and it sounds great.
Okay, we're playing fucking bingo. We're pissed. Bingo! This doesn't work. We're not with this guy. We need to have
this is great. So we're going to the club. Nice. We're going to the club. We've been to like the pub in the hostel, and now we're all going out. All of us, everyone here.
Yeah, we're good.
And we're off to the club. It's called the Cross Club, and yeah, it's going to be great. I'm really looking forward to it. Nice. We're at the club.
Yeah, we're all smoking. I'm not. None of us are smoking, really.
was cool, right? I've heard a lot of stories about it. It's really, really fun.
Amazing place. Amazing.
Yeah,
You guys should definitely be there.
Like the big gardens with the big trees, right?
Yeah, that's called Marina Bay Sands Sky Garden.
Yeah, Sky Garden. That's the
Sky Garden.
Right. Okay, first of all, Hibbs is very drunk. We're basically his parents. Second of all, I'm pretty sure you told us to get on the wrong bus, and now we're in literally the middle of this is nowhere in the Czech Republic, right? Not even anywhere near the capital city of Prague.
It's raining tomorrow's morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, scary thing is though, she's right. It says over there, 20 to 4. 20 to 4. Are we trying to get home? Yeah, it's 30-minute ride left on the bus, which we haven't paid for. Just bought Hibbs a present. Look at that. Gotta keep it alive for the rest of the trip. We're gonna hit a 6-hour train ride in a sec. We're gonna have to take this home. By the way, the lady in there spoke 0 English. What's up, Hibbs? So, for being such a great friend, you decided to buy your present.
Oh no.
It's not too bad, it's quite small. It's quite small,
Oh,
but
God.
you have the trouble trying to keep it alive.
For 2 weeks.
Alive?
Yeah.
You have 2 weeks and you have to keep it alive.
I'm quite relieved because I thought it was a goldfish.
Yeah. So alive. Maybe trying to scare you saying it's an animal.
Have we just committed a crime by giving Hibbs something
To
that
kill.
will definitely die?
Yeah.
Hibbs made us all late for like the millionth time in the world. Alright, so we're in the train station going to Budapest now, leaving Prague. That means that's the end of this video. Next video is going to be the train trip in Budapest, right?
What a finale, eh? What a finale.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going on a 6-hour train. That's going to be the start of the next video, so make sure you watch that. Adios. It's like dough. It's like we're making, like, I don't even know. What would you make out of this kind of batter?